day of the Great British Bake Off week of BAKEMAS. That was a bad sentence. It is the last day of the Great British... Wow, is there another way to fucking phrase it? You might have thought that I forgot a very iconic Bake Off moment in which Ian was a part of some controversy.
No, go.
And if you aren't a British Bake Off fan, then I'm making a baked Alaska.
No.
Which I told the lady at Ralph's last night, and she was like, what's a baked Alaska? And I explained to her, and she's like, damn girl, that seems ambitious.
It's gonna get harder.
So basically what a baked Alaska is ice cream and then a cake layer. Just fair warning, I'm not actually gonna do a sponge cake layer, even though that's technically considered traditional. I'm gonna do a brownie base because the idea of soggy cake and ice cream together is just
Not cute.
So I'm gonna do a brownie base, like layers of ice cream to make like dome, under the dome style, to show that simultaneously was canceled too fast and on for way too long. And then meringue, and then we torch it. It's kind of ugly looking and weird, but also really cool and impressive. It's gonna be in two parts because ice cream takes a long time to freeze. So let's start with this part. So the first thing is taking a glass bowl, and I've lined it with vegetable oil and then plastic wrap, cling film. So there are a couple different ways to do this. Different contestants did it different ways. Either layers of each layer of ice cream, like you stack them on stack them on stack them, or random scoops, or just one flavor of ice cream. But I feel like the judges would look down if I just did one. So I am going to be doing 3 flavors: mint chocolate chip, vanilla, and chocolate. This was decided on by a poll between Aislinn and Mats, and I'm just gonna do random scoops to kind of create like a mosaic, which is also kind of like my way of saying I don't wanna be over ambitious.
Sounds fun.
We're just gonna do random scoops in the bottom. Ice cream purists are really gonna be upset with my contamination of flavors. Like in here. See, this is like the part that's so deceptively easy that I'm like, this is gonna be great. Flash forward to tomorrow. A couple different tricks that I saw people do was either taking like an offset spatula or putting an additional piece and like pressing it down. Without your aggression. Gonna fold all this in. Great, cool. Let's put you in the freezer for, we're gonna see how long. This is where I think the British Bake Off was really fucking cruel, that they just had to do this in a day, because ice cream takes a long ass time to freeze. So I looked online, some people suggested 4 hours at a minimum, which is, they had way less time than that, didn't they? Maybe they had like
exactly
4 hours.
4 hours or something.
It's fucked up, guys. I'm gonna do it overnight. Honestly, maybe I'll wait a couple days. So this goes into the freezer, and I'll see you in a couple days, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. It's a couple days later, as you can probably tell by the zits on my face. I'm either pregnant or getting my period. Really, everybody, hope for the latter. Should be bleeding soon. So it's been days, the ice cream is very, very frozen, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the brownie that goes on top of the ice cream. And today's the day we play with fire. I'm very nervous. So was lady at Walgreens and I bought the gas. She was like, what the hell is this for? And I was like, food? Let's begin! Starting with making the brownie, I'm just doing a really, really simple brownie recipe. This is gonna be frozen, the bottom with ice cream. I'm not gonna go crazy with a very fancy brownie recipe. As always, I will have the recipe that I use listed down below, and we're gonna just start by melting our butter. Mi sabe, daylight come on.
You want to go home.
6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Came Mr. Tallyman, telling me bananas. Stop picking bananas. This is riveting content. Melt, 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 melt. I wish we had a camera on you struggling with the camera. We are melted, and now pouring it into the sugar. Gonna whisk you in. Once that's all combined, it's pretty warm, but it's not hot. We're gonna add in our eggs one at a time. Oh, you, that was I didn't expect that to be you. Next one. Once this is all mixed in, I'm gonna add in the vanilla, the cocoa powder. Don't be dirty, don't be dirty. Okay, Megan, just be gentle. Okay. Oh! Next goes in a little bit of salt and espresso powder. I like to add both of these things just because they enhance the flavor of chocolate. Though, is anyone really going to pay attention to the brownie or more of the giant dome on fire? Now is the flour, and I like fold it in a third at a time just so it all gets incorporated. Once it's fully combined, I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. Isn't it weird that like a baked Alaska, like there's a traditional way to layer ice cream and then put it with fluff and then like set it on fire? You could do a cake here as if you're doing this at home. Really hope you're not, and if you are, parental supervision, unless your parents aren't good at that, and then someone who's good at that, do that.
And definitely send us pics we want to see.
Of the food, not your parents. Unless you've got like a really hot dad.
Yeah, send us some wholesome family photos of you guys making a baked Alaska at Christmas. Someone gets set on fire, someone's eyebrows are missing.
Aunt Judy!
You all end up in the emergency room on December 24th. Fun family holiday.
Soundtrack provided by Michael Bublé.
True, it actually sounds like a great movie. Let's make it.
Yeah, it's like We Love the Coopers, but good. Or We Are the Coopers, or Love the Coopers. P.S. I love you, the Coopers. I don't know. Preparing the tin. Gonna spray this down. You go in there. I'm just going to pour the brownie in. You know what the most unrelatable thing I could say, but wouldn't be a lie? I'm really craving a salad right now. So now this is going to go into an oven, my oven specifically, for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, we're using Fahrenheit, mostly because I couldn't find a brownie recipe that was in the metric system that looked good and really fit a 9-inch pan. So I just really don't know like what 9 inches is in centimeters, and I was too lazy to Google it. Sue me! I had things to do, like discover a bunch of YouTube conspiracy theories. I had no idea. Gonna bake it. This is the ice cream. It's hella hard. Oh, this might be a two-handed job. And I'm gonna peel the plastic back. Wow, wow. I'm going to flip the brownie this way. Place it on. You fit? Wait, you're a little crooked. No, you're crooked. That's what I do. Or is the ice cream just crooked? Is the ice cream crooked?
It looks like it might be a little, but that's okay.
Oh my God, sloppy topping. It's just like a slanted baked Alaska, like a baked Florida. Oh, is Alaska even symmetrical?
No.
So now this gets covered again, and we pop this back in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. And we worry a little bit about the crookedness, but not so much.
No, it looks better now that you've put the plastic on it somehow.
Now we are moving on to the meringue. This is what goes on the outside that we toast. We set fire to the cake. This is essentially an ice cream cake on fire. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I just have my egg whites and my cream of tartar. I'm not doing this over heat because Mary Berry said I didn't have to. And then I made it even easier by adding cream of tartar, which she didn't do, but just helps stabilize the egg whites. Now we're gonna whip them into shape. When you say don't. Yeah, whipped into shape from Legally Blonde musical. Are you stiff? Yeah, you're stiff. Now that it has been whipped to stiff peaks, I'm going to add in my sugar. She says like, slowly whisk in sugar, whisking well between each addition. Continue to whisk until glossy, stiff peaks form when the whisk is removed. Dear God, she said whisk so many times that sentence. Oh, a little bit at a time, or a lot bit at a time. Starting to get glossy. And then the rest of the sugar. Now I'm gonna add my vanilla and then just whisk a little bit more until it gets to be super glassy. I was all excited and I forgot we just had this on fire. Ugh, I think we're almost there. I think we could be there, and I think I'm delaying it just a little bit because I'm a wee bit nervous. I think she's there. Oh, she's there. Oh my God. Stiff and glossy. Like a penis lip gloss. I don't want to play with fire. Okay. If I look scared, it's because I am. Also, guys, update, got my period, not pregnant. Woo! Power manifestation. So the meringue is good. Now I have to go get it from the freezer.
Oh boy, this is gonna be something.
I don't like fire. God, it's so heavy.
almost there.
I think that was just the brownie. I don't think they're attached anymore.
Let go!
Well, maybe it's gonna have to come out in 2 parts. Okay.
Wow. Oh!
It's so hot, my hands! So much dairy.
Better to be wetter than it is to be dry.
Okay.
Okay.
Fucking titties, I have to do this fast.
Yes.
Speedy meringue.
It's looking great. You're doing good.
Okay.
As long as everything is sealed, that's your biggest thing.
Breathing really heavy.
It's actually looking really pretty.
Is it?
Yeah. Hey, it's looking like a baked Alaska to me.
Fire! I love the smell of burned things though.
Okay, pyro.
No, I don't like the burning part. I'm scared still. Holding like 2 hands with a gun like you do in TV shows.
Freeze!
I think I should be done.
I think you should too because it looks amazing!
Oh my god! Holy shit! Wait, how do I turn you? Okay, off, close. Ah, goodbye forever. Okay! Oh my god, she's torched. We're gonna cut her and see how this is gonna work. Oh, soft. Okay, now frozen brownie. Yeah, I didn't go all the way through it. Get out of here! Oh my god! She baked Alaska!
Oh my god.
It looks so ugly now already. It's remarkable.
Look at that slice. It's got
This
all the
looks
different
good.
ice cream flavors.
Okay, you ready to try it?
I'm so ready. This is so exciting. I'm so proud of you.
Can't believe we did it. I'm so proud of you because I would have talked myself out of it.
This went off without as many problems as I kind of expected.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Wow.
You like it?
I'm surprised at myself. That's actually really good.
Well, I did cater the flavors.
Exactly
To
to
Aislinn
me.
Hall.
And I think your call with the brownie is genius. I think with cake, I think it would be too thin and yeah, it would get soggy really
Yeah.
fast. This offers like such a nice fudgy also bottom to it. Wow.
There's no bingate here. There was no drama.
They had to do it all in one day.
Yeah, it's been about 4.
Yeah.
Guys, that is it for the week of the Great British Bake Off on BAKEMAS. But we have so many other recipes.
Coming for ya.
And we'll have to say goodbye to the flags and goodbye to Peter Polymary every time.
And our terrible accents that we keep doing.
Yes. We
promise.
will, we promise, guys. Don't worry. Everyone in the UK can bake. Finally stop now.
Please stop that.
Please stop. So, yeah, guys, if you want the recipe, it'll be on my blog, and then check back tomorrow because we're gonna kick off the rest of BAKEMAS. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Oh my god, we did it.
Shit. You're gonna be fine. Don't clap for me when you're ready.
I feel like I need more Adderall too. Okay.